You will love this white Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a gas V6 3.5L/211 engine with an automatic transmission and 4WD. We priced this Toyota Highlander to sell quickly. You will find that his vehicle is loaded with options like 19 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels with dark silver accents, P245/55R 19 all-season tires, a full-size spare with aluminum wheel, a PWR tilt sliding moonroof with sunshade, chrome roof rails, a color-keyed rear spoiler with integrated lamp, a dark silver painted grille incorporated, lower grille with chrome accent, a black lower rockers with chrome accent, a clear headlamp bezels, projector beam halogen headlamps with auto on-off feature and integrated fog lamps. Come in for a test drive today. What are you waiting for? With a 6-cylinder engine, you'll have a rollicking good time when you fire up the engine. Hear it roar. Make your offer today.